AI-generated art has indeed made a significant impact in the art world, with pieces selling for millions of dollars and garnering substantial attention. Here's an illustrative example of AI-generated art making headlines and selling for a hefty price tag. In 2018, a portrait titled Edmond de Bellamy, created by an AI algorithm developed by the Paris-based collective Obvious, was sold at auction for an astonishing $432,500 at Christie's. This sale marked a significant moment in the art world, showcasing the potential of AI in creating unique and valuable pieces of art. AI-generated art challenges traditional notions of creativity and authorship, sparking debates about the role of technology in artistic expression. Here are some of the key implications and considerations. 1. Innovation and creativity. AI-generated art represents a new frontier in creativity, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. AI algorithms can analyze and learn from vast amounts of artistic data, generating pieces that are both innovative and original. This fusion of technology and art opens up new possibilities for creative expression. 2. Ownership and authorship. The question of who owns and authors AI-generated art is a complex issue. Since AI algorithms are developed and trained by human creators, there are debates about whether the credit should go to the developers, the AI itself, or a combination of both. Establishing clear guidelines and legal frameworks for AI-generated art is essential to address these concerns. 3. Impact on the art market. The sale of AI-generated art for substantial sums has disrupted the traditional art market. Collectors and institutions are increasingly interested in acquiring AI-generated pieces, recognizing their unique value and significance. This shift has led to a growing market for digital and AI-generated art. 4. Ethical considerations. The use of AI in art raises ethical questions about originality, authenticity, and the potential for replication. Ensuring that AI-generated art is created and used responsibly, without infringing on the work of human artists, is crucial to maintaining ethical standards in the art world. 5. Collaboration between AI and artists. Many artists are embracing AI as a tool for collaboration, using it to enhance their creative process. AI can assist artists in generating new ideas, exploring different styles, and experimenting with novel techniques. This collaborative approach leverages the strengths of both human creativity and AI technology. In conclusion, AI-generated art is making waves in the art world, challenging traditional notions of creativity and sparking important conversations about the future of artistic expression. While AI has the potential to transform the art market, it is essential to navigate the ethical and legal considerations thoughtfully. The future of art may involve a harmonious blend of human creativity and AI innovation, leading to new and exciting possibilities. I hope this provides a comprehensive overview of the impact of AI-generated art. If you have any specific aspects you'd like to explore further or need additional information, feel free to let me know.